So just look at it. A bowl full of palkova. Who wouldn't want to eat it, right? So let's prepare it. Now take a non-stick pan and add about few ml of cold water and then add 1 liter of full cream milk. Now this recipe calls for full cream milk, and it would be better if we prepare it in non-stick pan. You don't want this milk to be stuck, cream and milk to be stuck at the bottom, isn't it? So just keep on stirring it. Make sure that milk doesn't get stuck at the bottom. This is a very simple recipe. All you have to do is just stand there and make sure that the milk is reduced. That's pretty much it. This might take some time, but the result is totally worth it. And it even calls for very less number of ingredients, and those are easily available at home. You needn't rush to store to buy these things. You can easily prepare this at home. So see, you can see that milk's almost reduced. So it still needs to get reduced further. Keep on stirring it. Even the milk layer that forms on top of milk, keep on breaking it so that the cream goes into the milk again, and keep on stirring it. You'll just need some patience. See, it has almost come together. It has almost reduced to 75% of what we added, and I even turned yellow. See? So keep on stirring it. There you go. You see? Make sure that you do not walk away from the stove. So our milk may overflow. We don't want that. See, our palakova has already come together. The thick kova we are actually looking for. I am preparing sweet palkova. If you wish to have normal kova, you can just prepare kova and keep it aside. Since I am making it as a sweet, I am adding about half cup of sugar. Now once you have added sugar, it will again dilute for a while. So keep on stirring it till it gets its old consistency. You can use the sweet kova for preparing other sweets too, not just this. And you can eat it as it is. It's extremely delicious. We can prepare gujiyas and many more sweets using this sweet kova. I actually prepared sweet gujia using this kova also. So do check that recipe. It's in my channel. So this is how it should be able to form a ball. When you take it out, now I am adding some cardamom powder. Mix it. That gives it a delicious smell. So here we go, our palkova is done. It's a very simple sweet, even newbies can happily prepare it, and it's extremely delicious. You can prepare it at home happily, and the cost of preparation would be also quite low. So do give it a try. I'm sure you'll love it. Thank you.